Hello, welcome to COMM 450. This is Sister Barbara Higgins, and I am so excited to start a new semester. So, as all of you will be asked to do a video introduction, I am just going to start one of my own so you get to know a little bit about who I am. And then, if you have questions, please feel free to reach out by calling, texting, or emailing me. So I'm from Bluffdale, Utah. It's less than 20 minutes from three different temples, and it will soon be more. So currently, it's by between the Jordan River and the Draper and the Ochre Mountain temples. So it's great to have those temples, and there will soon be more temples around here. It's a great place to live. So my family, I'm the oldest of four children and I'm single. So I love spending time with my nieces and nephews who live in different places. So when I get to go visit them, I just love it. We can be kind of crazy as a family, but I love spending time with them. Some of my hobbies, I love to travel. Some of my favorite places are Israel, and London is another place that I love. This picture here is at the Dome of the Rock that's on the left, that's in Jerusalem. And I also love hiking in various places. I love to travel to different places to hike, and camping I love as well. Anything outside, really. And I also love shooting and biking. And I love Disneyland. It is one of my favorite places. So, a little bit about the callings that I've had. I've had the blessing and opportunity to be an ordinance worker when I lived in Boston at the Boston Temple and also the Jordan River Temple. And I've served as a Relief Society president, a Young Women's president, gospel doctrine teacher, and currently I teach our youth Sunday school class. And we have all of the youth in our ward in one class. So we have 32 students. Not very many are active, unfortunately, but we have a lot of students from 11 to 17 that are in our class. So a little bit about my professional background. You can see the link to my LinkedIn profile. I graduated from the University of Utah with 2 bachelor's degrees, one in sociology and one in human development and family studies. And I also got a certificate at the same time in criminology and corrections. And then I graduated from Arkansas State University with a master's degree in public administration. So I am currently the Assistant Director of Human Resources for Sandy City here in Utah. And prior to that, I worked for Sandy Police Department for over 12 years. I was hired to develop and supervise the Family Crimes and Intervention Unit, which does advocacy. And so I loved that job. So, and then before that, I was a social worker in Boston. And before that, I was a school teacher. So it's kind of been all over the place, but currently I love human resources. So a little bit about what you need to know. I do not accept late work. So my policy is consistent with the communications department. So please make sure your work is in on time. I do allow 1 mulligan per semester, so you can choose one assignment to turn in up to 1 week late. So please use it wisely, and you need to let me know before the due date. You can't just decide after you haven't turned in an assignment that you want to use it. So make sure that you let me know, but that you choose it wisely as to when you want to use that mulligan. Also, something important for all of you to be aware of is that this course is designed as a capstone level course. So it is not an easy course. It's not designed to be easy, but it is very rewarding, and what you will learn is worth it. But I want you to be prepared that is why it's a 450 level course, is it was designed to be like a capstone. So please be prepared and make sure that you're ready for that amount of work. And remember that the Lord loves effort. Okay, so here's my contact information. I have my office hours on Wednesday nights from 8 to 9 p.m. Mountain Time. That means you can just log in if you have a question, you want to talk to me about a concept that you're not quite understanding, or you want to talk about how to apply it to your life, anything like that. You're welcome to contact me during that time on my Zoom link. Here is my phone number for students. It's a Google number, so that way I know when students are calling versus just other calls. And then my email address as well. So I just want to challenge you that as you are starting this semester to recognize, record, and share the tender mercies that you see in your life. I think that as we have heard from leaders of the church that we really need to be able to develop that relationship with our Savior as the world is becoming such a difficult place. And I think that if we can start to recognize the tender mercies and the hand of the Lord in our lives, it really can affect our attitude. It can help us so much in our lives. And I love this quote from Elder Bednar. He said, I testify that the tender mercies of the Lord are available to all of us, and that the Redeemer of Israel is eager to bestow such gifts upon us. And I truly believe that. And I also want to leave with you that with understanding that this course is not easy, that the Lord loves effort. And I love how President Nelson has really emphasized that because effort brings rewards that can't come without it. So I expect you to put in the work into this course and really dive deep into the material. And my job is to give you the tools to succeed, and your job is to use those tools to succeed. And as a team together, we can make this a successful semester. So please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions or concerns. I'm here to talk with you. Thanks so much, and good luck this semester.